Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video today, I'm so excited. We're going to be opening our July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I'm so excited. So if you are interested to see what I got, keep on watching. So excited to see what I got. I never opened it yet. And if you do not know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly beauty subscription box. I get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month, and you're guaranteed 5 full-size beauty products for only $25, and the retail value is $125 plus. There is the Ipsy regular glam bag, which is $12 a month, and you get 5 samples, and that is estimated value of $50 a month. There's also the Glam Bag Ultimate. On the Ultimate, you would get 8 full-size products plus 4 sample products for $50 a month, and you're guaranteed $250 plus. But I will leave everything in the description box below if you're interested. Let's dive in and let's see what we got. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so we got a card. And last month was my first Ipsy bag, so I did not know that the cards did not break down the products. No, it doesn't. So this one is called July 2020. And it says, take a break. Airline mode your phone. Put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize, whether it's a living room, dance party, or a bold lipstick. Take a break from the ordinary, let loose, and go with the flow. Where will it take you? Your ultimate beauty staycation. I don't want a staycation. I want a vacation. Which I'm going on vacation. I'm so excited. We're leaving Friday. I really like this bag. Oh, that's super cute. It's got the little airplane on there. That is so cute. It's purple. Oh, I like this one. That is so super cute. So let me pull up the website so I could find out the products for you. All right. So the first thing I'm pulling out of this box is by Louisiana. This is the 2-in-1 purifying face mask and exfoliator. So I have tried Louisiana products before. It's made with pomegranate seed oil, lemon, and macadamia. So it's the same kind of like bottle that the lotion and the face wash comes in. So let me see if it smells. It has a seal, which is good. It has a really strong smell, but it's not perfumey. Hopefully it's not going to be bad, because I don't like when skin products have that really strong smell, because I have sensitive skin and I have a heightened sense of smell, so it makes my eyes run. It's not good for me. So I will see what the website says, and we will look and see together what this bad boy says. It says, hey you, don't let dead skin cells dull your shine. Add this 2-in-1 exfoliating cleanser and mask to your routine and get ready to glow like crazy. So it's pomegranate peel, extract, and seeds increase cell turnover and buff away flakes to reveal a softer, smoother surface. So let's see. So it's a 2-in-1. So it's a facial mask and exfoliator in one. The MSRP for that product is going to be $36, which is okay price for a mud mask. So the next product that I'm picking up is called 60 Seconds to Beautiful Brows. It is by Billion Dollar Brows. Add a brilliant pop of color to your brows in only 8 minutes. So it says it's a brow powder in top. And it comes with a brow brush. So let's see if this bad boy is my color. So it comes like this in a screw cap. And it comes with a little brush that has a spoolie on one end. And then a angled eyebrow brush on the other end. So let me see if this is going to be my color. It does look a little dark for me. Nope, it's my color. So they're listening. I already have brow products on my brows, but we will put this on and see. It is a little darker, but I'm thinking about going darker with my hair, so maybe this might give me some inspiration. Definitely going to have to play around with this a little more to tell you a review. So let's look up and see what it says about this brow powder and spoolie. So the color that I got is top. It's a matte powder. It says it allows you to play with your brow shape and add depth and dimension to thin, sparse brow hairs, which that's what brow powders do, or they're supposed to do. But says it's the MSRP for this product is $24. So it's not that bad of a price, but there are drugstore products that are a lot cheaper and really good brow products. So we will have to compare. I have not tried this product. All right, so the thing I pick up is by Ciate London. This is their hydrating primer. It's the Watermelon Burst. Ooh, I love watermelon. So let's see. Cool, look at that. So it says it's a hydrating primer. So let's see what it says on the website. So let me pull it up. It says, refreshing, hydrating, and perfect under makeup. This multitasking primer checks all the right boxes. Get hydrated without feeling greasy and hyaluronic acid. It's basically a moisture magnet that helps quench thirsty skin on contact. So I'm guessing this wouldn't be for our oily skin girls. Oily skin gals. So the MSRP for this product is going to be $28. It comes with a pump. Ooh, it is coming out. Let's see if it has a smell. It does have a light like sweet smell, kind of like a candy. So I don't know if you could see that, but definitely can't wait to try this out. It's more of an oil, like an oily primer. interested in trying that out. I know I do like to wear hydrating products because sometimes my skin does get dry, but right now in Louisiana, it's very humid. So the one primer that I have been loving is the Milk Hydro Primer. It is the best for the summertime. I'm telling you, if you live in humid climates, this primer is really good. Off the subject of Ipsy, because I did not get that in my Ipsy bag, but let's get to the next product. Next product that I see is going to be the Tarte C Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. I love me a good mascara. I don't think I've ever tried this mascara. I don't know why, because I know it's not a new mascara. So it's really cute. Tarte always has cute packaging. Let's see how the wand is. It's a nice regular wand. So I will have to play around with that bad boy to see how that works out. Let me check and see what the MSRP is on this product. It's going to say it retails for $23, which I'm not surprised. That's around the price of a mascara that Tarte would sell. Let's see what it claims to do. It says no running, flaking, or smearing. This mascara makes even the teeniest lashes look thick and voluminous for hours. So I am excited to play with this mascara. I love a good mascara. All right, so let's get on to the next product. The next product that I pick up is one that I chose. So you do get a choice item every month, but you have to do it on the choice window, which is only a day that you have that you got to log onto their account and choose your choice. So this is my choice item, and it's from Yall Maquillage, if I'm saying that correctly, because I do not know how to say stuff right. Never. But anyway, this is... Look how cute that packaging is. That packaging is so cute. It's heavy. It is Eyes on the Prize, Color Boss, made in Italy. If I could open it, it would be nice. So that's what it is. That's the color. Let me pull it up on the website and see, since there's no card. Ipsy. Alright, so it says, get ready for some makeup magic. The hybrid shadow glides on like a cream, blends like a liquid, and finishes like a powder. Multi-dimensional and totally eye-catching. The metallic light gold shade transitions perfectly from day to night. It's supposed to be buttery smooth pigment, lasts for hours without creasing or fading, and can be applied wet or dry depending on the level of color payoff you want. So the MSRP for this item is $29 for one eyeshadow. Wow. You do get 2.5 grams in this. So let's do a little swatch. Ooh, it does. Ooh. That is pretty. That is pretty. So it's given me maybe like a Natasha Denona shadow. That's how it feels. It feels luxurious. And I got that shade. I picked that shade. They had a bunch of shades you could pick. And I picked that shade because I thought that would be a nice topper on my lid. Which, it is a pretty shade. I thought it would be a little bit lighter, but it's like more of a real gold color. What would be good for football season. Because you know I love my Saints. But let's add all these products up and see what we got. All right, let me pull it up. All right. So we got the Il Maquillage Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color and Eyes on the Prize. And that was $29. $29 for eyeshadow. That is some bougie stuff right there. We got the Tarte Sea Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. That one is $23. Got the Lavito 2-in-1 Purifying Facial Mask and Exfoliator. That one is $36. Got the $1 Billion Brows 60 Seconds to Beautiful Brows Kit and Top. And that one is $24. And then we got the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. And that one is $28. So our total estimated MSRP for this box is $140. So it's over the $120 price point that it is guaranteed to be. So overall, I think it was a good box. How do y'all feel? What do y'all feel about the products? Have y'all tried any products that I received? Let me know in the comments below. And this is the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive upcoming notifications of any videos I will post. Until next time, guys, y'all stay blessed.